In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. Let's start by discussing the current situation. As of now, Squarespace doesn't offer a full native integration with Klaviyo, particularly when it comes to capturing detailed e-commerce behaviors such as abandoned carts. This means that while you can indeed capture form submissions and have them sent to Klaviyo for advanced tracking such as orders or cart activities, you might need to delve into using custom code or various third-party solutions. Now, let's explore the most straightforward way to integrate Klaviyo with Squarespace. By using Klaviyo via Form Embed or through its API, you can efficiently capture email signups and form submissions, be it newsletter or contact forms, and funnel them into Klaviyo lists. Let's break down the steps to set this up. First, you're going to need your Klaviyo embed code or API key. Head over to your Klaviyo account and locate these resources. The embed code is essential for integrating the forms into your Squarespace site. Once you have that, your next step is to move over to your Squarespace backend. In the Squarespace platform, you have several options when it comes to embedding the Klaviyo form. You could choose to embed a form directly or use custom code. Some versions of Squarespace might even provide an external service field, which makes this process a tad bit simpler. It's important here to ensure that your Squarespace form posts directly to Klaviyo or utilizes Klaviyo's JavaScript embed, which facilitates a seamless data transfer from captured form inputs on Squarespace to your Klaviyo lists. A critical thing to remember is to test the setup once you've completed the embedding process. Submit a test form entry on your Squarespace site and verify that Klaviyo receives the data correctly. If everything is functioning as intended, you should see the form details populate in your Klaviyo list almost immediately. Although this method effectively captures essential form submissions, it does come with its set of advantages and limitations. On the positive side, it's a straightforward way to integrate Klaviyo without diving into complex coding or configurations. However, the downside is that it's limited in terms of tracking advanced user behaviors, such as detailed e-commerce events on your Squarespace site. For those features, you'll likely still require additional custom coding or possibly utilize third-party solutions that can bridge the gap. By following these steps, you can establish a connection between Klaviyo and Squarespace that, while basic, effectively enhances your site's email marketing capabilities. So, there you have it. A concise, easy-to-follow method to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.